Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a powerful DIY herbal spray using hibiscus, dry rosemary and cloves. Hibiscus petals is rich in antioxidants and help reduce shading, support growth and add shine. Rosemary is well known for stimulating the scalp, improving circulation and promoting healthy hair growth. And lastly, we add cloves. Cloves helps refresh the scalp, reduce dandruff, and stimulate the hair follicles. Now, add all the ingredients to the blender. We are blending the dry herbs only. No need to add water at this stage. Blend until you get a fine mixture. This helps the herbs release all their nutrients when we steep them later. I did not add all my hibiscus petals because I noticed that my blender is full, so that's why I reduced some. Now this is what we got. Look at how it's looking like. I will go ahead to blend it. But if you do not want to blend it, you can still make use of it this way. You just soak it in the water. But because I want to blend it and get that a fine mixture, I want to get all the herbs out from it. That is why I'm blending it. Now, transfer into the plate, mix to combine. Look at what we have. Look at the herbs. These herbs works wonders. Yes. Now, transfer into a clean jar, like what I'm doing. I transferred it into a clean glass jar. If you want a warm water on it, if you want a hot water, you can go ahead with what you want. I added 1.5 cups of water on it. Stir well, then cover the jar tightly and let it steep for 8 hours or overnight for best result. But for me, I'm leaving it overnight for a best result. This is what we have after some hours. Then this is the next day. It has infused so well and the colors are now bright. And just like that, your DIY hibiscus, rosemary and cloves hairspray is ready. Use it directly on your scalp and hair, focusing on areas where you want to see growth and thickness. It is great as a leave-in, especially before protective styling or daily moisturize routine. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week or even daily, depending on your hair needs. Because I use this 2 times in a week. Most times I use it like 3 times a week. I just like spray it on my hair. Maybe when I'm on a protective hairstyle, I just use it to moisturize my hair. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this recipe or plan to give it a shot. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification for more natural hair care DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye.